Hi friends, the other day I had posted a video on why large ships float in water while a metal ball will sink. In the same video I had also shown that while we struggle to swim in a swimming pool or stay afloat, very easily humans can float in the Dead Sea. But why it's easy to float in the Dead Sea? Because in a Dead Sea the water is salty. And in the fundamental reason that a ship is floating or any object is floating is because of the fact that the amount of water that the object displaces, if the weight of the displaced water is equal to the weight of the object easily floats. In a Dead Sea, because the water is salty, the density of the water is more than the density of fresh water or normal even seawater. Why it's so salty? Because Dead Sea is confined and for millions of years animals have died and the salt has accumulated. So it's very salty water and dense. So the amount of water or dense water displaced will be less for the weight of the water, displaced water, to be equal to the weight of the body trying to float. So the same thing we want to demonstrate using a experiment at home. For children who are studying science or parents who are curious about science, they can try this experiment at home with their children and explain the physics behind it. So here are two water, one is fresh water and one is salty water. I'll put a small amount of salt just to demonstrate that we are using salty water. This already has significant amount of salt in it. Now I have a potato here. I'll try to immerse that potato in the first cup, which is fresh water. Let's see if when you do that, and you can see that it completely sinks, right? I have to literally put my hand, immerse my hand in order to reach out to it. Now the other water is salty water. I take out that potato, put in the salty water, and you see what happens. This is floating. This is floating, you can very clearly see. I don't have to immerse my hand at all when I am trying to touch the potato. Okay, and when I am again, let's look at the other option. Maybe you can just clean it up, dry it up, the potato, and then try to look at the other option of immersing it. And you can see very clearly that it sank, right? So try this at home, and I'm very sure that your child will love it and generate some curiosity for science. The link for the Archimedes Principle and why the ship floats, why humans stay afloat in the Dead Sea is also enclosed in the description of the video. Do like and subscribe to this channel, and we would bring more such interesting videos to help your child develop curiosity for science and be a scientist in years to come. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.